Hey everybody, how you doing? It's me, Sil. So yesterday I did a video discussing, or not discussing, the difference between a while, one word, and a while, two words. And basically in the video I said, you know what, it's really not worth spending a lot of time and effort learning the grammatical difference between the two. It doesn't really matter if you just stop using a while as one word, never use it that way, and you'll never have a problem. You'll never make a mistake. So it's easy to remember, and you can move on to learning other new things that are worth your time and worth the effort to remember. But some people were not satisfied with that, it seems. And so because it seems that some people do want to take the time to learn the technical grammatical difference between the two words, okay, I will make that video. I am making that video. So let's begin with saying that a while as one word is an adverb. Now, if you're not sure what an adverb is, I have a video, I'll link to it, and check out that video and then come back and continue watching. So a while as one word is an adverb, which means it modifies a verb, and it, strictly speaking, should always be used that way. A while is a plus a noun, right? So in this case, if you say a while, then it is a noun phrase with the and is used as such. The thing is, that is how a lot of grammar articles or grammar blogs describe it. And they say this is how it should be used. I don't agree with that because, well, I don't agree. The thing is, it's not just that I don't agree, it's that it's not really correct. Because a while, yes, it's a noun phrase, that is true, but it is also an adverbial phrase, right? You can say, I waited, I waited 3 hours. You can say, I waited for 3 hours. That is true. You can also say, I waited 3 hours. And in this case, you can also say, I waited for a while. You can also say, I waited a while, right? In this case, I waited a while, if you spell it as one word or as two words, they are both, well, one is an adverb as one word, the other is an adverbial phrase. It is a phrase, which is more than one word, and it acts as an adverb. So there's really no difference at all between the two spellings in that case. Now, there are cases where there is a bit of a difference, and like I said in my video from yesterday, you can use a while, two words, in every case where a while, one word, is appropriate. But you cannot do the reverse. You cannot use a while as one word in every case where a while is okay. And that's because a while is either a noun phrase or an adverbial phrase, right? So, for example, if you are following the grammar rules, you can write in a while. You cannot write in a while, okay? Because that does not follow the grammar rules. You can't say in and then adverb that way. So this is one case where you can't use a while as one word, but you can as two words. And like I said, you can always use two words instead of one word. So that's why my advice was, don't worry about a while as one word and just always use it as two words. You'll never make a mistake. Now, having said that, the fact of the matter is that most people, or many, maybe not most, many people actually don't know the difference, or they don't care about the difference, because you will even find instances where there's a grammatical mistake in large popular publications written by, you know, authors whose job is to make sure that the grammar is correct. And they were probably read by an editor who also missed the mistake. And what this says to me is that either the rule is, you know, not really important enough to make a distinction, or it's too complicated or too obscure and not many people know about the distinction, or they do and they don't care, or for whatever reason we are at a point where the distinction really doesn't matter. And you will find instances where an adverb is being used as a noun phrase. So, for example, in a while, and they've spelt a while as one word. You're not allowed to do that. You can't do that grammatically. But it happens. People do it. And so, since people are actually starting to use both forms interchangeably, your grammar teacher might say, that's not right. But the fact of the matter is, if enough people make the same mistakes for long enough, then that becomes accepted standard English. The grammarians, the grammar teachers can get angry, they can stomp their feet, they can hold their breath until they turn blue, and it will not matter, because language evolves and mistakes, unfortunately, sometimes it irks me too. You know, like, for example, irregardless. I hate that word. I hate that word. It's a stupid word. But I have to accept that it is, because it's used by so many people, it's not wrong. I hate it. I don't consider it correct, but it's not wrong exactly because enough people use it. And when they do use it, it's well understood. It is not usually confusing if you don't overthink it. And so, yeah, here we are with a while and a while. The fact is, they are being used interchangeably, whether we agree with that or not, whether it actually follows the grammar book or not. On a test, your teacher will say it's wrong. So be sure not to use them interchangeably on a test. But in real life, in conversation, which is what I concentrate on here in this channel, I'm not worried about grammar so much. I like to teach how natives actually speak, so you don't sound like a textbook. Anyway, that's it. That's my video. So just remember, a while is an adverb. Technically speaking, should only be used to modify a verb. A while is a noun phrase or an adverbial phrase and can be used in any situation. So, my advice stays the same as yesterday. Don't worry about a while as one word. Just remember a while as two words. Always write it that way. You will never make a mistake. And that's really it. So thank you for watching. I hope this satisfied your curiosity about the actual technical difference between those two words. And hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.